It comes as a surprise that you can keep food and drinks cool in an outdoor kitchen by using the best outdoor refrigerator on the market. If your home is built with a spacious backyard, an area for cooking and eating with family and friends, then having an outdoor option to store drinks and food items that should be kept cold can really be a convenient item. We've researched and discovered the 7 top-rated outdoor refrigerators, as well as 2 you may want to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 7 best outdoor refrigerator, plus the 2 worst to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Premium Outdoor Rated Compact Refrigerator by Bull Outdoor Products. The Premium Outdoor Rated Compact Refrigerator by Bull Outdoor Products is most certainly the best outdoor refrigerator. This particular option might be somewhat more expensive than alternative options on the market, but its quality, design, and overall features definitely make it worth the purchase. This is a 24-inch refrigerator that is constructed with a premium quality stainless steel, which means it's far more resilient than the rust than a lot of other options that you are going to find. On the inside of the product is an LED control panel, which can be used to control the temperature of the refrigerator. Temperature can be adjusted between 23 and 68 degrees, depending on what you need to keep cold. The door offers a self-closing feature with a special locking mechanism. There are 3 shelves on the inside. 2 of the shelves can be adjusted to make extra space for large containers that you might want to store on the inside of the device. Coming in at number 2, Danby 120 Can Beverage Center Stainless Steel. The Danby 120 Can Beverage Center Stainless Steel Outdoor Refrigerator is a great option for individuals who are looking to buy one of these products on a tight budget. The fridge comes with a portable size, which makes it easy to place on countertops and move it around when you need. The internal compartment features a capacity of 3.3 cubic feet and can hold as many as 120 cans of beer, soda, and energy drinks. A mechanical thermostat is built into the inside of this refrigerator that can be used to adjust the temperature. The temp settings range from 43 to 57 degrees. This product is energy efficient and only consumes approximately 368 kilowatt hours of electricity per year when used constantly. The inside of the refrigerator features an LED light that illuminates a blue light, which makes it easy to grab a drink when there is no additional lighting available in the environment where this refrigerator is kept. There are 3 wire shelves on the inside that help to create adequate storage space for cans and other beverage bottles. Coming in at number 3, Outdoor Refrigerator Stainless Steel Front. The RCS Gas Grills Outdoor Refrigerator with stainless steel front offers a great balance between price and quality. The product is available at a relatively affordable price and offers a quality product that will perform well outdoors. The refrigerator offers an internal capacity of 4.8 cubic feet, allowing you to store soda and beer cans along with food and other items so that you have everything on hand when you throw a barbecue. The front side of the refrigerator is made from a durable, quality stainless steel that provides a better level of rust resistance, ensuring that this refrigerator will last for an extended period of time. One particular convenient feature that is provided by the RCS Gas Grills Outdoor Refrigerator with stainless steel front is the fact that the product was designed to be used as either a portable or built-in refrigerator. This refrigerator also comes with an automatic defrost feature, interior shelves that are made from glass, and a thermostat that allows you to control the internal temperature of this outdoor refrigerator. Looking to learn more about the best outdoor refrigerators in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Danby Compact Refrigerator Spotless Steel Door. If you're looking for the best outdoor compact refrigerator, then you should definitely take a look at the Danby Compact Refrigerator. This particular option features a very compact and portable size, allowing this outdoor refrigerator to be placed at various convenient locations even on top of the counter in your outdoor kitchen. The internal capacity of this product is 4.4 cubic feet, but smaller options are also available if you want an even more portable refrigerator. This outdoor refrigerator is also available in a variety of colors, including spotless steel, standard stainless steel, black, patriotic, and white. The Danby DAR 044A5BS LDD compact refrigerator is ENERGY STAR compliant and features a door that's made from stainless steel. This helps to reduce the risk of the refrigerator starting to rust when exposed to wet weather and conditions in an outdoor environment. The internal storage compartment of the refrigerator ensures you can store cans, tall bottles, and containers. There are 2 full-width shelves as well as a half-width shelf. These shelves can also be adjusted based on the requirements of the items that you want to store in your outdoor refrigerator. Coming in at number 5, Avallon Outdoor Built-In Refrigerator. The Avallon AFR151SSODRH 15-inch outdoor built-in refrigerator is a great option for those looking to buy one of these outdoor refrigerators that will last a lifetime or so. The product is built into existing structures in your outdoor kitchen and was built to be able to withstand the weather conditions that are present on the outside, be it warm, cold, hot, or humid. The attachable wheels also make it possible to use this refrigerator as a freestanding option. The temperature of the product can be adjusted based on your requirements between 34 degrees and 50 degrees. LED lights are built into the inside of the refrigerator and can be adjusted to emit either white or blue lights. The exterior of the fridge is made from stainless steel that can withstand rust. The carbon filter is included with this refrigerator. It also features a convenient handle that is made from stainless steel. Additional features include a touch control unit, 3 shelves on the inside, and an auto defrost feature. Coming in at number 6, EdgeStar 142 can built-in beverage cooler. After looking at different options from this brand, we found the best EdgeStar outdoor refrigerator that's currently available on the market to be the EdgeStar CBR1501SLD 142 can built-in beverage cooler. The product features a large internal storage compartment that can keep up to 142 cans of beer, soda, and other beverages cold at the same time. The internal capacity equals 5.49 cubic feet, which means the refrigerator is not only perfect for keeping your beer cool, but can also be used for other items like food, containers, and even bottles of wine. Compressor cooling technology is used in this fridge, which helps to save energy in the long run. The temperature can be adjusted between 38 and 50 degrees. This device was primarily designed to be used as a built-in outdoor refrigerator, but can also be used as a freestanding one. The door is made from a solid stainless steel material as well. Coming in at number 7, hOmeLabs Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler 120 cans capacity. The hOmeLabs Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler is a great option if you're looking for one of these fridges that come with a glass door, allowing you to see the contents that are being cooled on the inside without having to open the door every time you want to take a look. The refrigerator can hold up to 120 cans and also features adjustable shelves to ensure you can store wine bottles as well as other containers and keep them cool. The outside of the hOmeLabs Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler is black with a stylish design. On the inside, a blue light is installed that makes it easy to see what's on the inside of this fridge even in the dark. An advanced temperature regulatory system also comes standard with this product, allowing you to set the exact temperature at which the content you store inside this fridge should be kept. This particular option also comes with an automated defrosting feature. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite outdoor refrigerator. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com outdoor refrigerators to avoid. Sunstone Grills Outdoor Refrigerator. Even though we primarily focus on the best options when it comes to buying an outdoor refrigerator, we also want to share with you the worst outdoor refrigerator on the market. After thorough research, we found the Sunstone Grill's outdoor fridge to be the worst option currently available. This is an extremely expensive option, especially when you consider the fact that it does not provide the same quality, stylish design, and overall features that you can get for cheaper rates with some other competing brands. The Sunstone Grill's outdoor refrigerator features a 304 stainless steel material construction along with front venting. It has been designed to be used as a built-in device and is most appropriate for under-counter usage. It has an internal storage capacity of 4.1 cubic feet. The shelves of this fridge are not as strong as they should be, and the fans of this product seem to break quickly, thus requiring a replacement. And the next to avoid, Blaze stainless steel refrigerator. Another option that you should avoid when researching and purchasing one of these refrigerators would be the Blaze stainless steel refrigerator. The price of this fridge is more affordable than some alternative options, but it's not a great option for what you'll find in this price range. The device features a 4.5 cubic feet internal storage compartment. It's a built-in refrigerator that should be installed into an existing structure in your outdoor kitchen. Even though promoted as a stainless steel outdoor fridge, this fridge does not feature a UL outdoor rating, which means it could start to rust easily when used outside. The Blaze stainless steel refrigerator was designed to allow different types of items to be stored on the inside. This includes beverages like beer, soda, bottles of wine, even food. It comes with a built-in locking system which adds extra security for the items you keep cold. 3 wire shelves are included with 7 different adjustable options to suit your needs. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying one of the best outdoor refrigerators. An outdoor refrigerator can be very convenient when spending some time outside, cooking and barbecuing with friends and family. You have access to cold beverages as well as other cold items instantly without having to go inside the house or bring a portable cooler outside. It's important that you choose the best outdoor refrigerator to fit your needs for maximum performance. Looking to learn more about the best outdoor refrigerators in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite outdoor refrigerator. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.